Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Arjun, tell others to join the class. Tell others to join because I have to start the problem. Tell to your friends also to join. Hello. Tell others to join. Ada class started. Put the message in your group. Hello. Madam is with me only. I forgot to return that day. I'm taking class, madam. Venkatesh is on the way, it seems. Huh? I'll talk to you later. Huh? Right. Assignment problem. Assignment problem. So already I told you the problem because somebody asked to repeat the problem. That is the reason I'm telling you once again. The cost of the matrix is Person A, B, C, D, job 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9, 2, 7, 8, 5, sorry, 6, 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 1, 8, 7, 6. Copy the problem. 9278 6437 5818 7694. So this is what the cost of the matrix. Sometimes they will give you the matrix something like this also. R 9278 6437 5818 7694. They'll give like this also matrix. So whatever it may be, if they ask you the question, solve the assignment problem using the branch and bound technique. Using branch and bound. So already I told you first step, there is no doubt for you people. Each row which is the minimum value. So first row minimum value is nothing but lower bound LB, that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Right. Now write it. Start lower bound is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Now we need to move to the second step. Arjun, Spurti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you listen. If you have any problems, please ask me there only. So you asked some problem, no? The last week some confusion. So I will solve you once again. If you have any problems, please let me know this. Right. Now second step. This is nothing but the first step. We have to write it. A is equal to 1. B is equal, A is equal to 2. So Next, a is equal to 3. Last one, a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Now a is equal to 2 means lower bound compulsory you have to take 2. First one. So that means what? A is equal to 1 means this compulsory you have to take, the remaining which one will be the minimum. So I told you this column cannot be taken later. That is what they have to do it now. So the next one is called the next, which is the minimum. Which is the minimum? Next row 3. Next is C is equal to 1. Next D is equal to 4. So this step you listen it, you will understand very clearly. 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 17. Now A is equal to 2. That you write it first. No confusion will be there. Lower bound is equal to 2. So that column cannot be taken now. So second row, which is the minimum, 3. Third row, which is the minimum, 1. Fourth row, which is the minimum, 4. So that is called the 2 plus. Next one is called the 3 plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to 10. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Now A is equal to 3. This is not 5, that is 3. Looks like 3, 5 only. So 3 only. A is equal to 3. Otherwise, I'll rewrite it. 3. Now this value, write it first. Lower bound is equal to 7 plus. 7 plus. So just 1 second, listen here. Once you take this 7, so this row, this column, don't take it the minimum values. So that means what? Second row minimum value is nothing but you are having the 4. Next row minimum value is nothing but once you take 4, this column cannot be taken. That is the reason 5. So next one is called the next row minimum value is nothing but the 5. So that means what? 7, once you take it, this column cannot be taken. Selected column cannot be taken the values. So that is what selected column and selected row cannot be taken. So once you take this 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So 7 plus, next one is called the 4 plus 5 plus 4, that is equal to 20. That is what we have done last week wrong. So lower bound is equal to Spurti.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Once you
Got
take
it.
7, that column, that row cannot be taken, selected row. So remaining, okay. So that is nothing but the 6. In this minimum value is nothing but 4. So next third row minimum value is nothing but 5. Fourth row minimum value is nothing but the 4. Now tell me the last one. A is equal to 4 means lower bound is equal to 8 plus.
3.
Very good.
Then 5, sir.
No. See, well, you are not getting. Once you take this 8, this row, this column minimum value will cannot be taken. Remaining you can take it. So
Sir,
here
3
3 you
plus
have taken.
1
Right. 3 plus 1 plus
plus 6.
6. How much?
1 second, sir. 18, sir.
Very good. Now write it. Start. Lower bound is equal to 10. A is equal to 1, lower bound is equal to 17. A is equal to 2, lower bound is equal to 10. Third one is A is equal to 3, lower bound is equal to 20. A is equal to 4, lower bound is equal to 18. Now you are having the problem is which is the minimum here. Remaining cannot be considered. So which is the minimum values is nothing but the 10. So this is not the solution. This is not the solution. This is not the solution. Now A is equal to 2. Once you take A is equal to 2, remaining rows, what you have to do, that column you have to leave it, remaining you have to take it. So that is the way of you have to do it. So once you take A is equal to 2, next to B value, what you can take, B is equal to 1 can be taken, the other option. Next to B, A is equal to 2, you have taken, that column cannot be taken. So next is nothing but the, what you can take, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. B is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. B is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Are you getting what I am saying? So A is equal to 2 means you have taken this. Next remaining is first one, third one, and the fourth one. Now tell me the lower bound is equal to B is equal to 1 means 6. Now previously you have taken A is equal to 2. That also to be taken, that one only to be considered. So that is nothing but the 2 plus. So now that means what? 2 you have considered, 4 you have 6 you have taken. That means what? First column, second column cannot be taken. Remaining, which is the minimum values, 1 plus 4. So third row 1 is the minimum, fourth row is 4 is the minimum. 1 plus 4. Tell me now, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 13. This is nothing but the second step, third step, fourth step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 means 3. So that one only you can write it 3. Now previous step you have taken already 2. So that is nothing but the 2. This value can be taken 2 only. So now B is equal to 3 means 3. You write it, lower bound is equal to 3 plus 2 plus, are you getting what I am saying? Spurti.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me the remaining values. So this value is nothing but B is equal to 3 means 3 only have taken. You go one step ahead, what you have taken, A is equal to 2 you have taken, that you write it. So that means what, second column, third column over. Now you have to consider third row, 5 and 8 is there, here 7 and 6 is there. Here which is the minimum now?
5, sir.
5. Here last row
4, sir.
4. Tell me now.
14.
How much? 14 only. Right. Similarly, tell me a last one also. B is equal to 4 means?
So 7.
Huh? B is equal
7.
B is equal to 4, right? 7. Now one step ahead, you have
2.
A is equal to 2. Next two.
1.
1 minute, let me see it here. 7 over 2 over. The remaining is 1. Next two.
7.
1 plus 7. Very good. Tell me the value.
$17, sir.
Very good. All of you copy once again today problem. So you will not have any confusion. I'll go. I'm doing step by step process here. Copied all of you. Copied. Shall I move to next step? You have to talk, yeah. Kishore.
Yes, sir, we copied.
Okay. Pawan Kumar.
Yes, sir. Copy.
Next step you have to tell Pawan. Right. Write it now. Start. Lower bound is equal to, first one is called the 10. Lower bound is equal to 17. That is equal to A is equal to 1. Second one is A is equal to 2. Lower bound is equal to 10. Third one, A is equal to 3. Lower bound is equal to 20. Tell me if I am copying the previous values wrong means please let me know. A is equal to 4. Lower bound is equal to 18. We have taken A is equal to 2. That is called the fifth step. B is equal to 1. Lower bound is equal to 13. Sixth one, B is equal to 3. Lower bound is equal to 14. The seventh one, B is equal to 4. Lower bound is equal to 17. Now, which is the minimum? Which is the minimum? Pawan. Pawan. Which is the minimum value? Out of 13, 14, 17. Not responding only. Right. Manjunath. Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Which is the minimum?
The PDF, sir.
Which one?
13.
13 is the minimum. So now A is equal to 2 you have taken, B is equal to 1 you have taken. Which is the remaining now to be considered in the matrix? That means what? Second column and first column we have taken. Now third row and fourth row, which is the minimum values in this, you have to take it. Third row, which is the minimum now? Tell me. C is equal to which one to be considered? Manjunath.
3, sir.
What I'm telling you, you got it now. So here we have taken this A is equal to 2 minimum values we have taken. This column cannot be taken now. Now you have considered B is equal to 1. This column also cannot be taken. Now 0, you have the option 1 and 8, which is the minimum. C is equal to 3 and other option D is equal to 4. That is called one option. Write it here. C is equal to 3. D is equal to 4. C is equal to 3. You should tell it now if I'm using same paper. You're not talking only, Baba. Right. C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Next, we'll solve it here only. No need to do one more step. That is the reason I have written it. So now other option is C is equal to, you can take 4 and D is equal to 3. Now tell me the values, Manjunath. C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. First, that one only you write it. Cost.
13.
Now C is equal to 3 means?
C is equal to 3 means 1, sir.
1 plus
4.
4. From come top to bottom. 10 plus 2. B is equal to 2 means 2.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. How much?
13.
Right. Here also tell me the same way. C is equal to 4 means?
8 plus 9.
8 plus 9.
2
Now
plus
A
6.
is equal to 2.
Plus 6.
A is equal to 2 means 2 plus B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 means 6. Tell me how much?
25.
25, right. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. How I got it is nothing but C is equal to 3 I have taken. D is equal to 4 means 4. Now A is equal to 2 means 2 values. B is equal to 1 means 6. So here also same thing. C is equal to 4 means 8 and D is equal to 3 means 9. And come from the top to bottom. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. So that one we have taken. So that is what the 25. Now which is the lowest value here? 13 is the lowest value. So now this is the solution. This one is nothing but the inferior solution. That is nothing but the next solution. So that's what I told you. Every problem you will be having more than one solution. So that is what the network advantages. So if something goes wrong that particular route, the system will be taken called the other route. For example, when you are downloading something, so sometimes you will get it immediate, sometimes it will take some time. So why means maybe that server busy, or if that server busy, it is connecting to the next near server. That is the reason it will be taking more time. Sometimes whenever we are requesting, even you take a Gmail or vtu.ac.in results or whatever it may be, so it sometimes it will take, sometimes it will be fast. That is what the every problem you need to show the more than one solutions in the network. So now write it, this is called the solution, this is called the inferior solution. Inferior solution. So now just I'll write the matrix once again. You have the 9, 2, 7, 8. Understanding purpose this one. 6 plus 4 plus 3, 7. Third row is 5, 8, 1, 8, 7, 6, 9, 4. So now what you have taken is A is equal to 2. That is what your answer. So solution is nothing but the first solution is equal to, you got it, A is equal to 2. Next is B is equal to 1. Even you can write the values also. So C is equal to 3. D is equal to 4. So that means what? Now A is equal to 2 means this one. That is what the 2 here. Next to B is equal to 1. That is called the 6. Next is C is equal to 3. That is called 1 here. Next D is equal to 4. That is called the this one. That is called the 4. Cost is equal to 13. So that means what? What I told you, when you are selecting each row, each column, which is the minimum to be taken. So now here is first row 2 is the minimum. Next is called the 6 is the minimum. So even somebody can say this one 3 also minimum only is there compared to 6. Suppose if you take 3 here, 1 cannot be taken. So that is the reason you have went all the possibilities of the minimum cost values. So that is the reason 6 we have taken here. So other than 6 also 4 also minimum is there, because already you have taken 3 here, 2 you have taken. That column cannot be taken. So that means what? You have the n jobs, n persons are there. So to execute that particular job, we need to give one person one job at a time. So that means which person is the efficient, you need to find out and you have to give it. That is what we have given. 3, 7, 3 is there, 4 is there, but we have not considered because other rows minimum cost values are there. So that is the reason we have taken in here 6. So in this one is 1 is the minimum, okay. Third row 4 is the minimum we have taken. So now you see each row, each column we have taken only one only. Each row and each column will be taken only one only. So this is what the final solution. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Same problem only will be given in the examination also. So how you people are learning, please learn it. Any doubt? Any doubt? Manjunath?
No, sir.
Spurti?
No, sir.
You don't have confidence only to say the answer?
Sir, I understood, sir.
but your voice not saying that way. If you have confidence, you will say loudly. Rizwan, you want to say something? All right. Murali,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir, I understood.
Okay. Anybody is having doubts still? Please let me know. I hope no problem. I can move to other problems. So now I'll give you one problem here. Please try to solve it. You will come to know clearly. So because nothing is there here, just calculations only. So you need to understand that each row, each column, we have to find out which is the minimum. So when you are selecting, you have to select only one element such a way that each row and each column only one element to be taken. That's it. Okay. I'll tell you one problem, copy it and solve it. Then I'll take the attendance. Branch and bound technique. Eight, 2, 6, 9. Second row is 7, 8, 6, 5. Next one is called the 7, 6, 9, 4. Next one is called the 5, 8, 1, 8. Sometimes they will give you persons, jobs. Sometimes they will give you like matrix only. So both the ways should be ready to solve. In this unit, you are having only 3 problems. One is called assignment, one is called lab snack problem, another one is called the transportation. Transportation, I'll tell you tomorrow first hour again. Try to attend from 8:30 only. That is also same way only. Okay, you have to solve. So if you are not solving, I am helpless. You need to solve this problem. Copied all of you. Shall I take attendance? Right. Answer attendance 1,
Present, sir.
2, 2, Abhinav 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, Arbas 7, Arjun 8, 9, 10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12, Chaitra
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17, 17, Deepika 18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, Guria 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Yes, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, Kishore 25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Yes, sir.
28, Nayana, Nayana absent, 29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, now TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5, 5, okay, 6,
6 present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
18, sorry, 7, 8, Rakesh. Rakesh absent, huh? Okay. Next, Ramya 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, Ravishankar 12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Yes, sir.
15, 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20, Srinidhi absent, Srinidhi absent, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
1BY9 present, sir.
yeah, come on, why you didn't say that time?
Sir, Ashok
Microphone
present,
was
sir. 1BY8.
So 1 by 13, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
So Ashok, sir. 08.
One.
1BY08.
Why you didn't say that time?
Actually, sir, mic issue, sir.
Then that time you should enter it in the message box in that case. So
Yes, sir.
Pawan Kumar has
Yes, sir.
entered,
I
no?
drop a message. Yes, sir. I drop a message.
Sir, Deepika MB present, sir.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. Deepika 05 also present. Hmm. Okay, 5 also present. Ashok 8 present. 17. Okay. I hope that's all only. 13 present. Right. TD10 present. TD10. Right. So now tomorrow we'll solve transportation problem. Afterwards only theory. Afterwards we are having only theory. So that we'll use PPT and we'll finish it off. No problem. Okay. Tomorrow if I take, it will get over problems. Only 1 more hour is required to solve the problem.